through different platforms just like Clapping Go. I used to take sessions on Clapping Go, and there are lots of Indian tutors. They help me in this journey, in this English speaking journey. So feedbacks are the most important things in this journey. Right now we are speaking. If I'm making mistakes, so I get real time feedbacks. And during that real time feedbacks, I work on my pronunciation. I also work on my sentence formation, and also the tenses. Tenses are the important part when you speak in intonation. I am using mirror practice. I am just standing in front of mirror, just like I am speaking with you right now, and just take any random topic and just put some emotion in it. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you, dear, for asking. How are you doing, guys?
We are also doing great.
Yeah, we are meeting very first. Could you please introduce yourself?
Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to tell about myself. This is Maliha Binte Masood. I study in class 7 recently, as you know, and there are 4 members in my family. They are my parents, me, and my brother, as you can see. And this is my brother. We are siblings as well as we are twins. We study in same class 7, and I'm from Bangladesh, and my father is a teacher, as well as my mother also a teacher. I think that this is about myself.
Yeah, that is very nice introduction, dear. Could you please introduce yourself?
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So my name is Muaz bin Masood. As you know, I'm from Dinajpur district, Bangladesh. I hope you know my country, Bangladesh.
Yeah, I know that. It is our neighbor country.
Yes, if I talk about my family members, there are 4 family members in my family. They are my parents, myself, and my sister. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like talking to people in English. I like blog video, making blog video. I like editing video. So I think that's all about me.
Wow, that's nice. So could I introduce myself?
Definitely, it's please introduce yourself.
I am Deepali. I am from Maharashtra. I have completed my post graduation in commerce, and I am uploading my videos on YouTube channel. It is construction videos, and I am from small village where no one speak English. So it become very difficult to get partner. So I want to help people, and because of that, I am creating content. And the people like me who comes from a small village, they will get help from these videos. And if there is, even if that one person get help, so I feel like I help them, so that will be different satisfaction. Yeah.
Do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, I have YouTube channel. Have a long way to go, Deepali. So I also seen some of your videos on YouTube. So how did you start your journey, and could you please tell me about your YouTube channel?
Yes, we have the name of our YouTube channel is Muaz and Maliha English Tour. You can visit, and actually, to be honest, I have uploaded first video on YouTube on 12th November 2023.
Wow, amazing.
Uh,
Yes.
first, I first I uploaded English practice video, blog video, and nowadays I'm trying to upload English conversational video to improve my spoken English. And I am just running this channel just for practicing purpose so that I can improve my spoken English.
That is amazing. That is interesting. Like you are in just a 7th standard, right? And you have also started your YouTube channel and posting your blogs, and nowadays you are posting your conversation videos there. That is amazing. Like when I was in my 7th standard, I was not aware of this technology. So now you guys are taking this advantages of this technology. That is actually amazing.
Okay, thank you. So, could you please tell me that you have a lot of experience about English? So, give us some suggestions so that we can improve our English more.
Yeah, actually, I am also learner just like you. I am improving day by day. I am practicing English with learners like you, and through different platforms just like Clapping Go. I used to take sessions on Clapping Go, and there are lots of Indian tutors. They help me in this journey, in this English speaking journey. So feedbacks are the most important things in this journey. Someone is expert and they are giving you feedback. So accept their feedbacks. because when they gives you feedback, it means that they want to help you. They want to help you, and because of that, always take their feedback in a good way and try to learn from that feedback. Right now we are speaking. If I'm making mistakes, so I get real-time feedbacks. And during that real-time feedbacks, I work on my pronunciation. I also work on my sentence formation, and also the tenses. Tenses are the important part when you speak in English. Right now, I'm speaking loudly. There is no intonation, right? So I am working on my intonation. Intonation, I am using mirror practice. I'm just standing in front of mirror, just like I'm speaking with you right now, and just take any random topic and just put some emotion. Take some take your time. Just think that you are feeling sad, so speak in and add some emotions like sad emotion in it. If you are feeling joyful, just add emotion in it, and just experience these new emotions that, and it will help you to improve your intonation.
Okay, thank you very much for giving us a number of informations and as well as suggestion.
Yeah. So, how do you practice your English? Could you please tell me? And what
Yes.
is your formula and secret of this fluency? Because I am listening to you for past 7 minutes. So you guys are very fluent. So what makes you fluent and what makes you confident? Because you are speaking confidently.
Yes, actually, to be honest, we have we practice more and more every single day, and also I try to actually speak more and more with him, with her, and my sister also always try to speak with me in English all time, especially at home, at school. We try to do it to improve our communication skills, also to actually remove our hesitation, because hesitation is the most common thing that everybody face to speak in English. This is why we do it, to remove our hesitation. And you told me confidence, so I have actually studied a lot of structures, and so many a vocabulary, you can say. So I think at that I'm telling it is not 100%, 90% right. If in spoken English, if I made any mistake, it is not wrong or incorrect in modern English. So if I will tell you that, and please, if we made any mistake, try to pardon us, also give us a suggestion and give us the right way to actually improve our spoken English to speak fluently.
Actually, thing is that nowadays what happen, we English is just like a phobia for everyone, just like a math. People do not like, some people do not like maths, and this is how some people do not like to speak English. And because of that fear, like fear of judgment, fear of making mistake, and hesitation that someone will judge me, and because of that, we do not give our best to speak English. I have speak with a lot of people. They are good reader. They read book for 8 hours, and they have excellent in writing. But when things comes to speak, they feel uncomfortable. Why it's happened? Because of hesitation. They feel underconfident because of lack of opportunities. Like I am from village, so here there is no environment of speaking English.
So
If
do
you
you
don't get, please go ahead.
do you know we are also from village?
No, I thought that you are from city. So you guys also from village. That is nice.
Also from village.
Wow, nice. So like, how do you create this environment, and how is your experience? Do people helps you? Do you have people whom can you speak?
No, actually, to tell you that in our village there are no person that we can use this language, but our tutor or can speak in English. We try to speak in
So
English.
you guys are from village. So how did you guys start this journey, English speaking journey? I know that it is not easy, because if you do not have this environment and if you are speaking English, so sometime intentionally or unintentionally you get judged. So does it ever happen with you, somebody judge you only because you are speaking English?
Yes, actually, to be honest, that it is first time. I think it wasn't so difficult for me. I have learned this language very easily with the help of this smartphone. And also, I want to show people that without going city, you can do anything. You can learn English from a village. And finally, I did it because from every villager want have a dream to go city. This is why I want to show villagers and any kind of people that you can do anything that you want to do from village.
Yeah, that is nice that we always think that we if we want to achieve our dreams, we must locate in cities, and because of that we feel like that okay, I am not getting opportunities. But what if you are learning this language, and if you do not, if you know this language, you can sound okay, if you know this language, so you open lots of opportunities, and it is good for you that you are not get out from the competition, because sometimes we feel bad that you are only losing opportunities because of you do not speak. So it become very difficult for village people to learn this language, and because of criticism we feel like that okay, if I start to speak, so someone will judge me, because even you, if you are fluent speaker, people will not appreciate you. They pulls your legs. They think that what you will do if you're speaking English. So this kind of things happens in small villages. But yes, we prove that even I am living in village, so I am learning this language. It is just a language, right?
Yes, right. You are really right.
Yeah. So,
So
thank you guys for giving me your time. So we are at the end of the session. Could you please tell me like have you enjoyed the session, and if you want to ask
yes,
in
I want
anything, you can please ask me.
yes,
Yeah.
I want to ask you one question. If we go to your country for study, will it be good?
Why not? It is. But I think that I will not prefer to go abroad for higher education. I will not do that, because yeah, my country is base country, because I born and brought up here only. So I'm proud to be Marathi. I'm proud to be Maharashtrian. I'm proud to be Indian. So I will not live anywhere. Even if I get opportunity, sure I will do work from home if there is an opportunity. But I will prefer to stay here only. Yes, I love my country a lot.
Okay. So thank
Yeah.
you for giving us your valuable time.
Yeah, thank you guys. I have learned lots of things from you. You are just in 7th standard, and I have learned lots of things, and I am getting inspiration from you that you can do anything. And you know, you are from just small village, and you are doing this great job. You also are running YouTube channel. Please tell me your YouTube channel name. My audience will get to know that, and I will also mention you in my description, and I will provide them your channel link as well. Yeah,
I
could you
will
please tell me your channel name?
I will send you the link. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Could you please
Okay.
tell me your channel name?
Much and Malia English Tour.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe this channel, guys. They are doing amazing. They are so sweet, and they are just like rising stars. Best of luck for your future.
Luck.
Bye.